Okay, next drill. Do some drops.
Yeah.
Drops. Okay. Stay by the line.
So whoever's got the ball does the drops. Yep. I'll go back.
Okay. You go back. And you're gonna take one step in. Okay? Not so far. Look, that's the end.
Okay.
Come up. Right,
This is
that's
good.
fine. Yeah. All right. So you're gonna drop
Yeah.
it in the kitchen. One,
I'm trying to do a top spin. I gotta work on that.
two. Let's go. Good. Alright, good. Okay, so what you're gonna do is 3 there, 3 in the middle, 3 in the kitchen. Okay?
What do you mean?
3 in here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So I normally go this,
yeah.
but I'm trying to do this.
Right. There you go. Okay, let's try it again. Here we go. 1, good. Let's go. Let's go. 2. There we go again. Good. Come up 1 step. Okay. Let's go. Good. 2. Good. Let's go. Good. Come up. Okay. 2. 3. Okay, my turn. You want the balls?
Good. Nice.
Oh! Oh! Okay, middle court now. Okay, that's good. All right, so next one we work on
Blocks. Blocks.
blocks. Okay,
So you go to the baseline and hit drives, and I block.
okay. Block volley.
That's an indoor ball.
Yeah, confirm. So you could go down. Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna
Ready?
try it.
Let's go. Come on.
I'm gonna try that.
It depends on the height too. Good.
That's better.
Yeah. Oh no.
So what I think we really should be doing, ball's coming,
Yeah,
or this.
yeah. Let's go.
But this comes fast.
1, 2.
That's too hard. My chicken wing. Keep going to that right shoulder, man, because it's so awkward for me.
Yeah.
I just can't. That's why they say you should keep it like this.
Yeah.
That's good.
Why you running, bro? Come on. Let's go.
I'm gonna see you putting a cut on it.
Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah, if you loosen up your grip, it deadens it.
Yeah, it just kills it. Okay, my turn.
Okay. What happened? Fuck it.